Oh, hi guys. Welcome to my it's me Verity, and today I'm here with my friend. Oh, I'm here with my friend. He is Bent. Say hi. He is Bent, and there's a hacker. Say hi. God dang.
Hi, hola, ¿cómo estás? I hear you.
Okay. Oh, you're dead. Why'd you die like that?
I'm just gonna change my avatar, bro.
Wait.
I'm just gonna change my avatar.
Bye. The murder's about to kill a innocent. I think the murderer was about to kill the hacker, but she couldn't, cause she sucks.
Where are you at?
She sucks at this game, bro. Why's she aiming for me, bro? Stop aiming for me. What did I do? She sucks at this game, bro. What? I didn't die. Where's the sheriff? Sheriff! Is it if I'm sorry guys if I keep stuttering.
The hacker's just flying around.
Yeah.
The hacker's flying around.
If this pink guy is the sheriff again, I'm actually gonna crash. Cause I'm gonna have to lead the murderer to him. I'm scared. I don't know where the murderer is. He murdered. What the heck?
Oh,
don't shoot me.
Don't shoot them. Shoot the
baking
girl.
girl. Shoot the girl, you idiot! The pink guy just left. Great.
Shoot the girl. Shoot the girl. Shoot the girl. Who's doing this? Shoot the girl. Thanks. You're getting chased. Sheriff is in the room.
Is this girl stupid or what? What is it happening? Oh no, I'm out. I'm out. Okay, I guess we victory.
She's camping the gun.
No, she died. Yay, victory! I'm stomping on the sheriff because he sucks.
On the sheriff? Oh.
The sheriff sucked.
I thought the murderer was standing, but the sheriff died.
I don't know.
This is like levels.
I don't know.
Hi, Nicholas.
Oh, by the way, guys, if you what? I see that. He's Ben. Do you want to tell my viewers what your nickname is?
Wait, what?
You want to tell my viewers your nickname?
Nickname?
Yes. You know how my nickname is Maya? Like Evil Maya, because my username is Evil Maya, and your username is Bentley something, like a lot of numbers that I can't even remember. Yeah.
No, the Storm Chaser not. Yeah.
Yeah, but I named you Big Back. So, but you're okay. That was quick. That was quick. Okay, guys. So he's Bent's nickname is Bentley Boy.
Yeah, my name is Bentley. Her name is Maya.
Yeah, because my username is Evil Maya. But my sister named herself on her phone Evil Maya because I can't say it. Okay.
This is my main account.
What? Huh?
This is my main.
Well, this is my sister's account.
Yeah. But say my real name. I'd say my nickname.
Hey, what? Huh? Let's see. Okay. Never mind. I'm innocent.
I've been innocent. Who are you?
Huh?
Being murdered?
No, I'm innocent.
Hey, this is Factor.
I'm gonna climb up on this thing. I'm climbing up. Don't tell me. Did you die?
Stop them.
Did you die?
Oh my. I just died. The cheater caught me. It's the cheater. It's the hacker.
Oh my god, we're so cooked, bro. We are so cooked. Leave me alone.
The hacker's the murderer. Yeah, you're dead. Yeah.
I'm actually gonna report this kid. I'm reporting this kid, bro. Where's he? What is he?
Report him.
I blocked him and reported.
Report him. He's just for
They're cheating.
He's cheating.
I don't know how to spell. I don't know how to spell, bro. Why do I don't know? Hack. Hacking. Yes. Thank you. Okay, we finished. Yes. Do you want to join a new server because there's a hacker in this server? Wait, I think he.
Okay, I reported it.
I blocked and reported him. Why is there a cocoa melon?
I already reported him.
I think he got banned because I don't see him in the server. I don't know. I'm innocent. Wait, whoa. He didn't. He didn't get banned. Dang it. What do you want?
He's going to.
I suck at this.
Get in. In here.
Don't tell me you're a murderer, please.
I'm gonna hide. Can't shut the same door. No! Open the door.
Okay. Bro got locked out. Hurry up, you fatty. Get in here. Bro, Fatty McGee. Are you in here? Just get in here. I can close the door, you idiot.
I'm trying to shut the door.
Oh, the hacker. The hacker. I'm hiding in this corner. You know you're close to where the murderer's gonna kill you first, right?
It's that girl right there. Look, you see that girl right there?
Is that? It was Squirtle. It's Squirtle.
Oh.
I'm leaving you in there. Oh no, Squirtle, leave me alone.
It's this person right here. I just know it.
Squirtle me, boy. Okay, never mind. It's not a.
Shoot them already.
They been shooted. Idiot. Let's join a different server because this server sucks.
And there's a hacker.
Yeah, because that hacker was the. Okay. Okay, guys, we joined a different server because there was a hacker in that one, and the other server sucked like booty cheeks. So I'm gonna go to my secret lair. Bentley boy, you better not follow me. Hi. My free lair. Secret lair.
Where you at?
Nowhere.
Are you in the secret lair?
No.
Yeah, you are.
No. I was sitting here the whole time. What do you mean?
I'm sitting on the couch. But I sit midair. What am I saying? I literally sit midair.
What do you mean?
I literally like.
I'm flying.
Like, chill.
I'm flying. Look at me. I'm floating, bro. You can't even get up there. But look at me. I'm not even standing on anything. You fell. Haha.
I'm never sitting on anything.
I'm going to factory. We're going to factory. Why is someone doing the zombie? Factory.
Bro, are you sure?
I hope I'm a murderer or something, so I could kill you first. What are you eating? Are you even eating anything at all, or what? I don't know. Yes!
Innocent.
I'm sheriff. Yes! Finally something.
Don't you die, I'm alive for you.
I'm gonna crash out on you. No, there's a hacker!
Oh, you gotta kill people, bro. Wait, what?
No, there's a hacker, bro. There's a hacker. If the
Another
hacker's
one?
the murderer, I'm actually gonna crash, bro.
Oh, there's another hacker.
I got flung!
Beautiful.
I got flung
Yeah,
by
what?
the hacker. I got flung by the hacker. I got flung by the hacker. I got freaky flunged by the hacker. I got flung
There's so
by the
much hackers in
hacker.
MM2.
I don't know. Can we join a fake MM2? Cause where'd you just go? Okay, guys, we're joining this awesome game because no hackers join fake MM2. So yeah, and only the hackers that play. Down road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. I don't know what to say. What? I'm innocent.
Oh crap! You are?
Yeah. I got the. How'd we? The game was starting in 1 minute. Like how did the game already end when we were still starting? Like what the heck?
Bro, she was.
I'm lagging so bad.
Where's she at Godfrey? Yeah, here's a harvest. Yeah, here's Harvester 2021.
There's free items. So you have free items that you could wear.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, and free items that you have.
Oh, where?
In your inventory, you
How do you get
idiot.
them?
In your inventory.
There is no inventory.
Oh my god, you stupid.
I'm not.
No! I look so ugly still. Why? I'm innocent. Wait, no. Bent Boyd, let's 1v1. Let's 1v1. Let's 1v1. Join me. Okay, guys, we're gonna be 1v1ing heisbent. So let's get started. Only if his big back self can hurry up. Okay. Hurry up, you loading stupid screen. Loading character. I look so chopped.
Where you at?
I'm still loading. Jeez.
Yeah, I know. Yay!
Big back self.
Okay, you're murderer. You're murderer, Maya.
I can't. Bro. It's not even letting me. It's not loading me in, bro. Just kill me already, please.
Ready.
Okay, guys. My game is not lagging. Is lagging so bad. So I'm gonna rejoin. Okay, guys, we're back and at it. My game's lagging so bad. Anyways, we have to say a grace to someone. He's Bent's old dog, Biscuit. People miss him. I killed you. Get dead. Get cooked. Get cooked, little bro. Get cooked.
What do you mean? I love TV2. It's 1-1.
First of all, I made you kill me because I was lagging.
Oh my, you're cooked.
Second
You know what?
of all,
You're actually cooked now.
I hate you. Second of all, I hate you. La 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 la. Hello, 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 hello. No, I look so weird now. Yay, where are you? I'm gonna kill you, Ben boy. I don't know. Can't tell.